Hello, random people of the internet, and welcome to your first tutorial in Python. We're gonna start. We're gonna start by installing Python and all of the stuff that you need to start programming. So you're gonna go to python.org, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Go to downloads. If it'll tell you it'll tell you your OS. I'm on Windows, and then you click this. But if it's wrong, then just go here, and then you just look for your OS. Um, yeah. So after you download this, so I'm just gonna click it, save, and then it says save saving. Wanna you wanna go through the installation process? And just follow the installation process. I'm gonna cancel because I already have Python. And yeah, let's start programming. So after you're done installing, just go to just search up idle, and then this is like your, this is like this is like the IDE, like the IDE that comes with. So just a term idle. We're gonna talk about this in the next episode, but yeah, let's get on to the second part. So we're gonna download an IDE. An IDE an IDE is an integrated development environment. I made a video on it a while ago, so just watch that video if you don't know what it is. But yeah, so we're going to find Python. We're gonna go to download. I'm gonna leave this link in the description. So I have community. It's free and open source, but then you can get professional if you want like better better ID, but it costs money and it's a free trial though. So I'm gonna download, and you have to I'm gonna cancel this because I already have it. This is PyCharm. I'm gonna give you two more options. So and then there's Visual Studio Code. There's this version, there's this version. Just get this one, and then you go to Windows, volume on Windows, and then download. I'm just gonna cancel this. You already have it. It's the second option. A lot of people go with this one, but a lot of people also go with this one. And this one is the one I most recommend. Atom. It's like the simplest one. It's for beginners, in my opinion. It's so simple. You can. The thing is, you can also use it for beginner and complex things. It's just so simple. Um, yeah. So I'm gonna be using PyCharm in this tutorial. PyCharm and IDLE for our first tutorials. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Um, this is setup and installation for my Python tutorial, and the code for like all GitHub. This is my rewrite bot series that I was starting yesterday. Okay, here as you can see, there's gonna be a repository when I upload this video for this tutorial. So I'm gonna go here. This is my rewrite tutorial. Oops, there we go. There's other things. Yeah. Also join the Discord if you need some help. Yeah. I will most likely be online 24, like 12. I'm gonna be online 24/7 pretty much. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Uh, subscribe.